Creative Memories' new Growing Up collection is here to help you capture every precious step of the journey. Start with the Jade Growing Up album cover, the perfect place to house all those cherished memories. Then dive into decor with the Growing Up paper pack. You'll find delightful designs plus mats and borders, making layout creation a breeze. The Growing Up stickers are bursting with fun sayings, playful icons, and even border stickers that add an extra touch of whimsy. Keep celebrating all of those amazing milestones with the many firsts embellishments, perfect for highlighting life's firsts. Ready for some playful fun? Punch up your layouts with the Playground Border Punch. Music lovers, the headphones punch will be music to your ears. And there's more. We've got coordinating decorative bundles for every kind of fun. Indoor play and Hello Lovely are perfect for inside adventures, while outdoor play captures outdoor escapades. Magical Moments adds a touch of wonder, Rollin' Good Times is for car lovers, and Epic Adventures is ready for anything. Capture the entire story of childhood with Creative Memories' Growing Up collection.